Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can turn notifications silenced on or off on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or a later version and that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Open the Settings app and tap Focus. Then select the focus mode you want to use, such as Do Not Disturb, Sleep, or Personal. Tap Focus Status and turn Share Focus Status on if you want people who message you in iMessage to see that your notifications are silenced while that focus mode is active. You can also enable or disable a focus mode directly from the control center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, tap Focus, and choose the mode you want to turn on. To stop showing the notification silenced message, turn the active focus mode off. If you'd like to receive notifications from certain people or apps while focus is enabled, open the selected focus mode, then add your preferred contacts and apps under the Allowed Notifications section. That's how you can turn notifications silenced on or off on your iPhone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.